STEM bus is coming from our university, UTRGV, and they're providing some science education for our GT students during this GT camp. One of the things that we looked at in planning for this GT camp is that how could we go ahead and improve on the things that we've already done? How could we bring more awareness from the things that are in our community and bring them in to motivate our students to ask those questions that sometimes they have difficulty getting the answers to. What goes on? We had museum yesterday, so today we had our STEM unit come in from UTRGV, and this is just to provide them an opportunity to do some science, some practical science experiments for our young students. Some of our students here are probably going to be our next group of scientists.
It's all good. So this
Today I was learning how to extract the DNA from strawberries by pouring one part soap, 1 part water, and salt into a bag of mushed strawberries to separate the DNA. I think the bus is a lot more entertaining than a usual bus because you get to conduct science experiments in it, and it's just really fun.
Today we came onto a STEM bus and we extracted DNA from strawberries. My favorite part of today's science experiment was putting the vinegar inside of the strawberries.